Today is the third day on Thursday, right? The third day of September. Today is Tuesday. No, Thursday in September 2020, right? The same. Oh, in the morning, I come to visit you. You are coming to me, right? Oh, today the sun is strong. Hey, morning, guy. How are you? This is white. This is black white. This is white brown, alright? Okay. Where is the yellow? Huh? Where is yellow? The yellow don't come together with you. Where is yellow? Okay. We go over there. We go to see the yellow. Alright. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. No. Oh my God. Sorry. You follow me to my feet, right? Oh. Come on. Oh, no. Oh my God. You don't be careful, right? Morning, yellow. How do you feel? Woo. Come on. All right. What you have the problem, yellow? What your problem? You please explain for me. What your problem? Wow. No. It's okay. Today I have the steam pork. I have the boiled pork for you, right? From yesterday I made for Tuchin. Tuchin is the second. No, not Tuchin. Sajin, the second time of a New Year for Chinese people. Also, my wife half Thai, half Chinese. She must make like this for grandfather, grandmother, everybody who already dead, you know. It's okay. I give you try, right? I have the steam pork and chicken. No. I make a small piece for you, right? Come on. This is yellow. Come on. Oh, they like it. Oh, they like it very much. Okay. This is the life of animal, you know. They don't want anything more, only food for eat. They don't want diamond, they don't want gold, they don't want the car, they don't want the beautiful bread, you know, no. Only food for eat. This is the homeless animal, you know. Are you okay? Today is the weather is, you know, like in the sky there's a open, no cloud, so the sun is shine is very strong today. I think today it's very hot. It means that in the daytime, until now I can move the hut to under the tree, you know. Okay, now I want to give them some food more and change the water for them. I must go back to my house for work. Maybe today I must go inside the city, inside the province, you know. You know, in Thailand we have 76, I think 76 province. 76 province, you know, like we have north of Thailand, northeast of Thailand, south of Thailand, east of Thailand, and west of Thailand. We have like that. All together we have 76 province, you know. So it's some province is very big, some province is very small. Right. Hello, yellow. How do you feel? Hello. Are you full? Okay. Nothing. From yesterday, from last overnight, you know. They are so happy. Alright, so now I want to go back my house for work, right? And see you the next clip. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.